Hello everyone. Good evening, all of you. I hope you all are good. I am also good. Um, Today I am sharing um, my share share why I am why I am learn English. Okay, because I don't have any idea about spoken English. Yes, I know English, but not very well. So, I think this is the best decision for me. Uh, uh, how? Yes. Um, I think um, when I think yes, English is the uh, so nowadays English is the international language. Okay, no. So basically, I want to speak fluently. That's why I. That's why I learn English and uh, open a YouTube channel for practice, and my practice will be continue. Okay, I will continue my practice. That's why. So don't mind if you don't mind if you don't understand my English. I know very well. Uh, but yes, I don't know English. Uh, yes, but I speak confidently English. Mm, but little bit nervous, yes. But I want because why I'm learning English, because I want to learn English, spoken English, and I want to speak fluently, smartly, and confidently. Okay, and my personal development. I will develop my. I want to develop my personality. Okay, that's why I learn English and open the YouTube channel. Okay, I hope you all understand. Yes, and uh, thank you so much. And yes, please suggest me any how I improve my English language and how to prepare myself for fluently speaking English. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.